Hi there. Today we're going to be making a pulled pork in the Instapot. So it's going to be a quick 60-minute dinner, a little over than that because it takes about 10 to 15 minutes for it to come up to temp. So about hour and a half before dinner's done, and it tastes like it's been cooking all day long. Here we go. Okay, so we're gonna start with a 4.5 pound pork butt. This one's boneless. You wanna take it out of the package, make sure you pat her dry. This one I got from Butcher Box. It's organic, really delicious. They have great meats. Take off the string, and if there's a lot of fat on it, you can trim it out. But what you really want to do here, there's a little bit extra here. Ooh, bad knife. Bad knife. We'll take a little bit off. Trim away some of the excess. And what you want to do is cut it into manageable chunks to brown. So we got one here. Get rid of those. Into another one, it's falling off. And we will cut this one up into thirds. So 4 or 5 chunks. As so. Then you want to get your favorite barbecue seasoning, a dry rub, or you can make your own. And just liberally go on the meat. Sprinkle it on, rub it in. While you're doing that, hit your Instapot to saute mode. And I like a medium high because you're going to be browning the chunks. And that looks good. Okay, so once your Instapot has come up to saute temperature, it usually beeps to let you know it's ready to go. So you're gonna add to your hot pan about 2 tablespoons of olive oil or 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, whichever is a neutral oil you like. And you're going to add your pieces and brown them nicely on each side. Get some of that oil over there. I'm going to put 3 in here to start out with. Okay, so they're about ready to flip, and you'll pretty much know when they release from the bottom and they're not sticking anymore, and they should be nicely browned. You get a nice brown on there. It's going to add flavor. And we'll do the other side. Those go a little bit longer, and we'll do the rest, and I'll show you the next step. I'm going to pull these pieces out now, put them on a plate. I'm going to add the last couple pieces and do those up. Smells like a barbecue house in here. Okay, so the last pieces are finished off, and then we're going to remove those. Place them on our plate. And because we're going to add liquid to our Instapot, I'm going to drain out the grease because we don't want to have oil and water splattering us in the face. Does not mix. Okay, so return that to the pan and turn your Instapot down to probably a medium low. And before that starts burning out, then we're gonna add our 3/4 cup of chicken stock and deglaze it. Gonna remove all, you gotta get all the bits off the bottom, because if you don't, you might get the burn notice on your Instapot. So that's very important. Always have a clean bottom on your pan. Get all those little bits off so you don't get a burn reading. And it has not all evaporated on me, the chicken stock, so we're good. We're gonna shut that saute button off, hit cancel or off, whichever your Instapot says. It's all deglazed. We've got lots of nice color and flavor in there for your roast to cook and do some nice pulled pork. Okay, so we're gonna take our pulled pork pieces, place them back into the pot, and separate them out a little bit. Put this down. If you got juices on your plate, pour them right in because you want that flavor. You can add some herbs in here if you want. Do not add your barbecue sauce in here because the sugar will burn on the bottom. You're just doing your dry rub, your stock. But you can put some dry herbs, fresh herbs in there. Bay leaf adds a nice flavor. Okay, so that's that. Now we just have to get our Instapot top. And we are gonna put that on. Make sure your seal's in good. Things are so easy. Turn it and it's on, ready to go. And we are going to use pressure cook custom. So go to pressure cook, hit custom. Then you are going to do it on high. So hit high, okay. And we're gonna cook it for 60 minutes. This is a 4.5 pound roast. Pork butt roast. So turn it to 60 minutes and hit start. And that's it. So when it's done, you want to do a natural release, and the pressure button will be up when it's fully pressurized. So a natural release, you want it to go all the way down. And when it's all the way down, your roast is done and you can open it up and take it out and add your barbecue sauce or whatever you'd like to do with it. Okay, so our pork has finished cooking and the natural release has finished and the pressure button is all the way down, so it is safe to open. Give it a turn. And here we go. We will take our pork out of the pot. Thank you, Kevin. Oh, it's tender. Falling apart. Yes, you're the big star again. You hear Evie coming too. Oh, you know what, Kevin? Let me grab a spoon because this is so tender, it's falling apart. Just what we want, right? Here we go. Wow. Watch your little hands. We don't want to burn you. This stuff is hot, hot, hot. Okay.
Hello.
All right. There we go. You can save the juices to drizzle over. You can mix some of your barbecue sauce in there if you want. There. Looks good. Oh, you got your favorite. There's some barbecue, huh? Oh, I just spilled some water. Let me grab that. I'm going to set this aside. And all you have to do now, take your forks and shred away. It's as easy as that. Look how tender it is. It pulls right apart. It's beautiful. No work to it. It's like it's been cooking all day long. So just keep shredding it with your forks, pull it apart. I'm gonna leave most of this plain so people can do as they want with it for dinner. If they want less barbecue or no barbecue. Evie, I think Evie wants to try some too. She's whining over there. Okay. That looks really good. Nice and tender. You can't beat the Instant Pot. Okay, so we have our toasted bun here. We're gonna pile some of this stuff on. And we have our barbecue. Whoa. Drizzle that on. Slice of cheese, whatever you want. This one's Havarti. And we're going to stick that under the broiler to melt the cheese. Okay, so we have our sandwich all finished up here. Right, Kevin? This one you can't eat. This one's not a gluten-free bun. And you can put your lettuce. Kevin can have it in a nice gluten-free wrap or wrapped in a lettuce. And it is delicious.